Hi all. So let's look at the functioning of EDATE function in Excel. So let me take in certain dates. 01, 2023, let's say, and 02. And let me populate certain dates. Okay. Now suppose if I want to know dates 6 months after this, I'll use a function EDATE. So this is my starting date. I want to know a date 6 months after. I just click on this drop down, populates it accordingly. Same way, if I want a date 6 months prior, I can use this EDATE function, comma, -6. So I'm getting a date which is 6 months prior. Now, suppose if I want a date certain years after, so let's say I want a date 2 years after. So 2 years means 24 months, use equal to EDATE function. This is my starting date. This is 24 months after. So I'm getting a date 2 years after rather. Now, another thing that we need to look at, let's say if I have a date of the format, let's say end of certain month, suppose if I take in end of May, 31/05/2020. Now, if I put in a date 30 days after, so I'll use the E date. So let's say 1 month after rather. This is my starting date, so I'll put in 1 month. So what I'm getting is 30th of June, respecting the last date of that month. Same way, let's say if I take in a date, date, let's say I want a date 3 months prior. So I'm getting 28th of February. So it respects the last date of that particular month. So this is how we can make use of EDATE functioning. Thank you for your time.